e and diphthongs ia, ie, iu, wo. So the letter e is actually read in two different ways, which do not differ that much. First is formal literal Slovak, so you should read e as e, e. I will read the word fist in formal Slovak then. So the word fist shall be pronounced in formal Slovak as pest, pest. And the word chaos or mayhem or confusion should be pronounced then zmetok, zmetok. However, I think most, maybe all young people will pronounce e as e, really normal e. So in modern Slovak, pronounce it as e. Fist will be pest, pest. And chaos, mayhem, confusion will be zmetok, zmetok. Okay, now diphthongs. So we have 4 diphthongs in Slovak: ia, ie, iu, wo. You may hear that they are pronounced a little bit in a little bit tense way. So ia, ie, iu, wo. I will read several Slovak words to practice. Again, first in English, and then I will repeat each word twice in Slovak. So, Friday. Piatok. Ia. Piatok. More beer. Viac piva. Ia. Viac piva. I know it. Ja to wiem. Ja to wiem. Ie. Wiem. Ja to wiem. Wind. Vietor. Vietor. Ie. Vietor. I can't speak a foreign language. Nie wiem cudziu rzecz. Nie wiem cudziu rzecz. I can't speak is nie wiem. Foreign is cudziu. And language is rzecz. I can't speak a foreign language. Nie wiem cudziu rzecz. Nie wiem cudziu rzecz. I need a canal. I need a dog's canal. Potrebujem psiu búdu. Iu. Potrebujem psiu búdu. Psiu. Okay, let's read the words again. E. Pest. E. Zmetok, which was formal Slovak and now normal Slovak. Pest. Zmetok. Friday. Piatok. Piatok. More beer. Viac piva. Viac piva. I know it. Ja to wiem. Ja to wiem. Wind. Vietor. Vietor. I can't speak a foreign language. Nie wiem cudziu rzecz. Nie wiem cudziu rzecz. I need a canal. Potrebujem psiu búdu. Potrebujem psiu búdu. And a little bit of social Slovak. So I've prepared 3 dialogues, which are actually very similar. So you'll be offering a drink to your guest or partner. Like, here's your coffee, here you are. And the other person will reply, thank you. So here's your coffee, here you are, and thank you is in Slovak. Tu je káva, nech sa páči. Ďakujem. Tu je káva, nech sa páči. Ďakujem. Now let's offer juice. So here's your juice, here you are, thank you. Tu je juice, nech sa páči. Ďakujem. Tu je juice. Nech sa páči. Ďakujem. And now let's offer tea. Here's your tea. Here you are. Thank you. Tu je čaj. Nech sa páči. Ďakujem. Tu je čaj. Nech sa páči. Ďakujem.